Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. Here if you try to see, we have implemented this animation for the route navigation. So if you try to click here, we are able to see, so fade in and fade out effect we are able to see for the navigation. Now it's time for us, what we need to do is, instead of doing this fade in and fade out, we can also do the slide up and slide down also. So we can also implement the slide up and slide down for the route navigation leave and also the route navigation enter. Let's try to implement this one before completing this routing thing. So let's go to the route animations.ts file. So here I am giving slide up and slide down. So I am giving export constant. So here we write route slide animation state. Okay, it is equal to trigger of this one, route slide animation trigger. And here in this one, so we will have a transition of enter. So we will be having this enter. So on enter, I need to have a style. Okay, I need to have a style which we can write something like transform of translate x not x. We will keep it as in y. So translate y, when it is entering from top to bottom, it will enter y of minus 100%. So we can give animate. So animate 300. So it will come to 0%. That's it. So now let's go to the leaving. On leaving, let's leave. On leaving, we need to have an animation. So here animate. So on leaving means from 0 to minus 100% it needs to go. So here 0 to 100%. So down it needs to go, right? So from top to bottom it is coming and down it needs to go. So here I can animate 300 seconds and style I can give. So transform, I can use it, sorry, transform of translate y of 100%. So we have given the translate y of 100%. So this is the slide animation. Upon entering minus 100% means, so from top to bottom it will come. Leaving means, so from the 0% to 100% means down it will go. So like this. So automatically from top it will come and from down it will leave. So this is the slide animation state. Let's go to the users.component.cs file, which we need to implement the animation thing. So here in the courses I am writing route slide animation state, and here we are having this one. So I can write @route what is that name, slide whether we can able to get it, yeah, route slide animation trigger. Let's copy this one and we will paste it here, route slide animation trigger. And here instead of having n, we can make it a small letter. And in the users.component.ts also we will add route slide animation state. So here, and this one is also should be renamed to like this. So that's it. So now we have got this one. Let's see whether we are able to implement it or not. I will refresh this page and I will click on the courses. So we are not able to see anything, right? So we are not able to, the effect is not happening. Why it is not happening is, here you need to remember that by default the component element, the web component which is trying to load, the component itself is an what I can say, it's a display inline element. So in order to make the translate work, as I already told you in our previous videos, we need to make it as a display block. So for this reason, let's go to the CSS file. Where is our CSS file? Yes, this is our CSS file, and here for the host I will make it as display block. And for another one, so we have made it display block. For the courses.component.css file also, so we will make this one as also as a CSS what I can say, host block, host display block. Okay, so we have made it as a display block. Now if you try to see the output for this one, let's see. Yeah, here we are able to see it, right? Now when I click on the courses, it will go away, it will come, and here if I try to do it, it will go. So we can also add an opacity effect for this one also. So in order to have like this, we can also add something like opacity. So here for the first time it should be opacity 0, sorry, and here what I can say is we need to make it as an opacity 0. So while going off slowly it needs to. So if I try to click here, see, we are able to see some my light, it will be able to see it. So this is how we can able to do it. So like this we'll be able to do it. For example, if I try to show you another scenario, something like if I make it 1000 and here also if I make it 1000, now if you try to see the effect, see we are able to see it is coming from the top of the parent, right? So we are able to see from the top of the parent we are getting. Here we are using like this, right? So let's try to do slide up thing. Okay, maybe we can able to see the effect. Yeah, we are able to get it. Now you are able to see it, right? So when I am trying to click here, so it slowly it is coming when I am trying to do it. So it is going away like that, right? So it should not be like this. So what can we do is for this one, we know about the overflow, right? So let's go to the app component.html. I already implemented this one. So for our app component.html in this row, so we can give overflow hyphen hidden. So it should be in that container only. It should not overflow outside the container. Now when you try to see the output users thing, see now you are able to see. Now if I click on this one, see it will come. Now here you will be able to see like this. Now when I try to make it as a little bit faster, so we are having roads.animation. Yeah, here if I try to make it little bit faster, 300, and also this one also 300. Now you will be now we are able to see the same effect, right? So this is how we will be doing the routing animation. So different ways we can do it. So just I am showing you the scenarios how we can do it. If you want to do the pure fine control and all those things, it will take time, but I am trying to explain you the scenarios. Now what I will do is I will commit this all the code in our new branch. So whoever wants to refer this code and all those things, if you want to enhance it from here onwards, you can enhance it. And this one is in slide route animation. I am writing the name slide route animation. Let's try commit this all the code, and here I am publishing this branch. So whoever may be having a doubts and all those things, as usual, so you know my GitHub repository URL. So this is the Angular animations URL. So whatever the video you are trying to watch it, you can go to that particular branch of that video and you can refer the code what I am trying to explain in the video. So hope you understood about this routing sliding animations thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.